I wanted to point out why I think these plants are pain. The berries. And then these. They squish and they stink like rotten. If you look really close, I'm trying to zoom again. See? And there's the berries. And they hit and sound loud, and they're loud like acorns. And there's an empty one. And before that, when the bees are up there and stuff, that when they empty, they land in your pool, and there's just tons of them, and they're just such a pain. So I just think they're sucky. Plus that they need taken care of. You got to keep them all clean and get somebody to climb up there and take down the dead. Unless a hurricane manages to come and take it down. And those squish and they're nasty, and let me tell you, they really do stink. Just my 2 cents.